Alright guys, good evening, good evening guys. This video is a trade breakdown on USD card. I took 2 trades on this pair this week. So yeah, let's get into this trade breakdown. But first of all, first things first, the rules, like our rules guiding how we trade. So you get, first thing you look out for is your weekly with your weekly. That's the first thing you look out for, weekly with your weekly, followed by your daily breakout, followed by your daily with your daily, followed by your 4-hour breakout, by your 4-hour breakout. Then last but not the least, your 1 hour or 30 minutes or 4 hours entry. Now, if you don't know what type 1 or type 2 breakout is, please you can refer back to all my old videos or other videos. I explained extensively how to spot or trade a type 1 or type 2. Yeah, so let's get into the breakdown. So your USD card. First things first, let me clear out of this. Now, what was the first thing you said? First thing you said was your weekly jets. Weekly jet weekly. That was the first thing. So if you all know, this is a V level. This is a V shape level, key level, a V shape key level. You see it's right there with that V. Now you got to your weekly with your weekly. What next? Your daily breakout. Now bear in mind, this right here is the weekly jet weekly. This right here is the weekly jet weekly. Weekly. Now go to your daily time frame. Look for your breakout. This right here is your breakout. This right here is your breakout. This right here is your breakout. See, this is your daily breakout here. Your daily breakout here. Yeah. What was next on the list? That on the list. Let me see. Next on the list is daily breakout. Your daily jet daily. Your daily jet daily. Now, this is your daily after the breakout that has happened already. This is your daily jet daily. For those of you who don't know, this right here is called an open close level. Open close level. This right here is an open close level. So this daily candle rejected to this open close level. Now, after the reject daily, what next are you looking for? What are you looking for? Reject daily. Next is your 4-hour breakout, type 1 or type 2 breakout. Then you go down to the 4 hours. Down to the 4 hours. Let me see. Okay, this was let me mark this out so I'm not get confused. This was the daily jet daily right here. Yes, so this is your 4-hour breakout. This is your 4-hour breakout right here. This is your 4-hour breakout right here. This is your 4-hour breakout. Now, then what was next? Entries, entries for, let's see, what was next? Okay, for 1 hour, 30 minutes or 4 hours entry. That's what was next. Also 4 hours entry. So now this trade I used a 4 hour entry because it gave me all I wanted to see in the 4 hour time frame without me needing to go down to 1 hour time frame. I barely used 30 minutes, but once in a while I do use it. So basically, you have gotten your 4 hour breakout. Now, what this means is that the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hours are all in line with the same direction. That's the bullish. They are all bullish. Daily, weekly, daily 4 hours are all bullish. So now, if you look right here, this is your breakout. This is your breakout. This is your breakout. This is your breakout. Now, if you look here, this right here, you can spot a key level here. This is an A-shaped key level. You can see it here. This is a key level that got used and suspected. Now, this is also called a plug and play level, but I'll get into that in probably I'll make a video about this level. It's called the plug and play level. For this sake of this video and this breakdown, we'll just call it an A-shaped key level that got used and respected. Now this level, you can see this is where I took my entry from. You can see where I took my entry from. Now this was my take profit. There was a reason why this was my take profit. Now this, I did not target higher than this was my target for my take profit. There's a reason why I targeted this area for my take profit. Reason why. Now this reason brings me to my first entry, because this is my second entry. My first entry was somewhere around here. Now let's go about the first entry. We have already gotten the second entry. Let's go about the first entry. Remember, we already have our weekly and everything. Now look at the daily time frame. This I can give after the weekly reject weekly. You can see the reject weekly. Yeah. The daily time frame give us what? What is it called? A CRT. It gave us a CRT. This is a CRT. This is a CRT. And for those of us who don't know what the CRT is, you can go back to my previous videos. I already explained how to use a CRT when it works. I already gave you how to use a CRT in my previous videos, so you can go and check that out. Now, this right here is a daily CRT. You can see market price took out, internal liquidity. Now where is it going? It's headed for the external liquidity. Exactly where my take profit was. Now remember, this is my second entry. The first, now I'm about to show you the first entry. So after we've gotten the CRT has formed, this CRT where it has formed, I went down to the forward to look for what? Breakouts are very important because they give you like confirmation that okay, this market is about to move in the direction of your CRT or whatever. So breakouts are very, very, very important. Breakouts are very, very important. Close the breakout. Now, after the breakout happened, once again I used the 4 hour for entry because it gave me everything I was looking for. I did not have to go down to the lower time frames to get this entry because the 4 hours gave me everything I was looking for. My bad, I forgot. Let me finish up with this one. Okay. The 4 hour breakout happened here. This is an HAP level that got suspected once. Then, if you look here, the reason why I use this 4 hour entry because you guys gave me my liquidity. This right here is liquidity. You can see. What this is? These are liquidity. These are our liquidity. Liquidity waiting to be taken by the market. they are all liquidity. You can see why they are all these are all liquidity. They are all liquidity. So basically, now we have gotten out 4-hour breakout liquidity. This right here, A-shape key level that got disrespected. Placed my buy limit at the A-shape key level. Stop loss just below. Second trade done and dusted. Now back to the first entry. Now remember daily CRT, 4 hours breakout. Now same thing with this one. Why I did not go down to the blocker, because he already gave me the liquidity I was looking for. This was liquidity. Single candle liquidity. That was liquidity. This right here, this is a QM. Quasimodo. This is a QMR. So I entered from this QMR for the first entry rather. This other, my SL was here. So now where my target? Remember I told you the CRT, it took out ordinary liquidity and it's going to take out external liquidity. So my take profit was at that external liquidity. You get me now? So basically that's all for the USD card breakdown entry. I also have BTC, like, okay, in my next video here I will explain how to use range, how to use range and incorporate them into your MSN or SMC, whatever you are using. How to use ranges, that will be my next video. But for now, I've given you the breakdown, the blueprint of how I took this USD card trade, both of them, so you can study, back test, and don't forget, very important, the rules I gave you. Very, very important. Don't forget these rules, because you can see this trade checked every box from weekly to breakout, daily breakout, 4-hour for entry. It checked every single box. So this was a textbook setup. I got right here. Yeah, so anticipate my next video because I'm talking about range. And if you have any question, my Telegram group is, I think I will drop the link in the description below. I will try to drop the link in the description below. My Telegram group link, I will drop it in the description below, so you can join the group. I do give free signals sometimes, but mostly educative stuff. Then you can ask me about anything you don't understand pattern in my videos, if I need to explain deeper and stuff like that. So thank you for staying with me throughout the breakdown. I will see you guys in the next video.